I grew up Greek Orthodox.
Oh, okay.
But I would never practice it. It's a terrible religion. They come. My aunt, who was married to one man for 58 years, she went to the church 3 days a week. Her husband died, and she was devastated. 6 years later, she hung herself.
Oh my God!
And they would not do the ceremony because she hung herself.
Oh yeah.
So
that's
172 of us left the Greek church to become non-denominational Christians.
Wow!
Because she was, a really religious woman, and the church wouldn't do the ceremony, even though she was there in that church for 58 years.
Wow, that's crazy.
Killing yourself in the Greek church is like blasphemy, right? So they just basically excommunicated her after she died.
சிவமணி செல்வராணி பிரசான் யோகேஸ்வரி தமயந்தி நாமதேயானாம் குடும்ப சேமாவிரத்தியர்த்த தேவதாய கைலாசநாத சுவாமினே நமः. வந்தே வந்தே ஜெகத்காரம் பாவேக்ஷயவத தேவதாயே நமः. தான்யம் தனம் வசும் வசுருத்ராம சர சம்பஸ்தர தீர்க்கமாயோ like this. Thala Bhairaveswara Swamine Namaha. Alamajo Nidatnaha. Sara Sambasvara Dirkamayuga. Sambadhaya. Amadharanaya. Sarva Rakshaharaya. Nice.
गुरुवे शरणं गुरुवे शरणं प्रदोष शिवनायन्मा शरणं